Hello everybody, welcome to our channel PMN Online. Here, I will show you how to reset your TradingView account. If you've ever found yourself locked out of your TradingView account because you've forgotten your password or simply can't access it, then this video is for you. Let's dive right in and regain control of your trading world. Getting started. First things first, head over to the TradingView login page. This page is your gateway back to all your trading activities. Once you're there, look for a link that says something like "Forgot password" or "Can't sign in." This is your one-stop solution if you're having trouble with your credentials. Clicking on this link will initiate the recovery process. Step-by-step recovery process. After you've clicked the link, follow the instructions provided. Usually, TradingView will send a password reset link or instructions directly to your registered email or phone number. So, make sure to check your inbox or messages and ensure you have access to them. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Remember, choose something secure yet memorable to avoid similar issues in the future. Social login convenience. Now, what if you didn't use a traditional email or phone number to sign up? Many of us choose the convenience of social logins, such as Facebook or Google. If that's the case for you, try logging back in using those social media credentials. This method could save you some time and effort, as it bypasses the need for a password reset altogether. Lost access to email and phone? There are instances where you might have lost access to both your email and phone number. Maybe you've updated your contact details but haven't changed them on TradingView. Don't worry, there's still a way out. You'll need to submit an account recovery form to TradingView. It might sound daunting, but it's a necessary step to verify your identity. Be ready to provide some billing information and possibly photos for verification. This is a standard security measure to protect your account from unauthorized access. Make sure your information is accurate to facilitate a quicker resolution. Wrap up. And there you have it, the essential steps to resetting your TradingView account. These procedures are designed to keep your account secure and accessible only to you. By taking these steps seriously, you ensure that your trading data and personal information stay protected. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to reset your TradingView account. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel, PMN Online.